Imagine getting paid just by typing names. Yeah, you heard it right. You can earn money just by typing names like Drake and Josh and Barbie and Ken. Do you want to know how much you can possibly earn from this side gig? Well, listen up close because I'm about to share with you that you can earn as much as $20 just by typing pages of names. $100 for 5 pages and $400 every day just for typing 20 pages. This gig is also unlimited, so you may earn as much as you want for as long as you're willing to put in the effort of typing. If you frequently use a computer, then this side hustle might just be for you. This opportunity is open for all just as long as you know how to type. This is absolutely free, so you don't have to shell out any cash to start. Want to know how to join? Be sure to stick around because I will be sharing how exactly you can start earning money just by typing names. To begin, we need to visit the website called talentdesire.com. According to their website, talentdesire.com is an online outsourcing platform that puts employers and businesses in contact with a global network of freelancers. They offer multiple kinds of job opportunities for freelancers, which include freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, online proofreading jobs, and of course, one of those jobs is online typing jobs, a wonderful way to earn money with just your typing skill. In this particular work, there are loads of jobs for different levels of typing skills that range from beginner to expert home-based typists. And they cater to those in need of either part-time jobs or full-time work-from-home jobs. For top earners, they can actually earn anywhere from between $13,500 to $27,000 or more per year. Your earning capacity will grow just like how your typing skills will grow too. If you can successfully hop on this hustle, you can expect to get a minimum of $1,125 per year. It's possible to earn $400 to $600 in a day just by inputting names. Rates also vary depending on the company, accuracy levels, and nature of work. If you want to check how much money you can possibly earn, you can simply use the calculator in the website and estimate your would-be pay. Check out the rates that they offer for every word you type. A quick tip for those aspiring freelancers who want to join in the typing hustle, check out the website called ratatype.com. Ratatype.com is actually a typing tutor. It's an easy and very convenient online typing tutor for anyone who wants to type more efficiently. Now, what you want to do is take a free typing test on the website. Click on the yellow icon which shows Start Typing Now, and you will be transported to a page where you can start typing. Once you're done with the test, it will automatically display your actual outcome and the website will give you a certificate for free. To elaborate further, a typing certificate enhances your earning for a page, which is why it's highly encouraged to get one. If you can show your certificate to prove that you can type, you will then be accepted faster and this will allow you to connect with unlimited high-paying job opportunities. Additionally, this certificate will show your accuracy and typing speed, thus increasing your potential rate rapidly. Your typing accuracy should be between 98 and 99%, regardless if there are any spelling or typing errors. And of course, the less mistakes you make, the greater money you will earn. You can always go back to ratatype.com if your results would show that your accuracy and typing speed is below 98%, and repeat it again and again until you reach the needed score, and at the same time, improve your speed as you go on with the test repeatedly. Since the speed test part is done, you can head on to signing up for a free account on ratatype.com. Just by simply providing all the necessary information from the website such as name and email address. Or better yet, you can sign up right away using your Google account or Facebook account, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, you can show the results of your accuracy and typing speed, and if you can scroll down a bit, you can see your typing certificate already. All you have to do is click on it to be redirected to a page which shows that it was indeed given to you for your proficiency in typing in English. You can make use of the certificate in verifying its authenticity. Now, let's go back to talentdesire.com to apply for that typing job. All you have to do now is scroll towards the bottom part of the page and click the Select an Application Form button that is typed in red. You will then be redirected to a page where you can start your application. Now, look for a button that says Online Application Form. This is a digital document in the form of a Google form that is submitted by candidates. It is important that you fill the form accurately. Once you click on the online application form, you will be redirected again on another page where you will be required to input your details. This only takes you approximately 15 to 20 minutes to complete this part of the application process. You must remember to answer all the questions carefully because they are vital to the screening process. You can always toggle the video back just a little bit just in case you missed out on some details. If you're having trouble, just comment down below and we will try to answer all your questions as much as we can to help you land this work opportunity. If you're ready, click on the Fill in your details to apply and work with us button and provide the information required such as your name, email address, your contact number, and resident country. TalentDesire.com welcomes applicants from all over the world in countries such as Asia and Africa. The next part that you will have to answer is professional information. You will need to fill out this portion of the application form as accurately as possible. Since we are here for a typing job, you must type in the preferred job title the words online typing. And for your preferred time, we suggest selecting the all-day option so that you can get a higher chance of landing a whole lot more typing job opportunities. You may then proceed to continue answering the remaining questions of the form. For the signature part, you can just put in your full name and then proceed with submitting your application. Once your application has been accepted, you can then begin receiving different typing job opportunities. If you're fortunate to start with your typing jobs, keep in mind that you will have to put in the effort of hitting all of your targeted deadlines and not miss a single output, because there is a possibility that this will affect your reputation. Be responsible to take on a workload that you feel you can confidently achieve. Don't just take on job after job for the sake of money. Let's instill in our minds that even if we're just working remotely at the comforts of our own home, we still need to keep a professional work ethic. We need to be responsible for our work assignments if we want to keep our jobs. And that's a wrap for today. Thanks a lot for sticking it out to the end of this video. Do you know of any other typing side hustles? Or have you tried a typing job already? Comment your experience down below to share it with our growing community. Your comment might just be the answer that other people are looking for. If you want to know more about these side hustle opportunities, just leave a comment on what topics we should explore next. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we have other videos up. Now remember, being wealthy does not only mean financial wealth. It's how you interpret it to be. Check out our other videos to start your journey now. Take control of your life and be on the wealthy side. See ya!